Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at one of the hottest stocks this year, the one, the only Palantir. We're going to be talking about everything you must know about this stock and answering that main question of should you invest in it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter and we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe and join the team. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, we just released a brand new swing trading course and we are doing a major Black Friday sale, and you guys can use code THANKFUL to get 30% off. It's only valid for this week. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. Let's dive into this. So let's just jump into it. Now, for those of you that don't know what Palantir is a software, data, and artificial intelligence company. Now, with that being said, this past year, we've seen absolute crazy growth. The stock has gone from lows here at about $5.80, hitting a highs at $21. So anytime you see this move, you're going to see people, promoting this stock. You're going to see a lot of people hyping this stock up. Now, one of the reasons why we've seen a lot of buying pressure involved from Palantir is because the overall craze of artificial intelligence. We've seen companies like Nvidia, Tesla, and a variety of other artificial intelligence companies, like Palantir included, get a lot of buying pressure just because artificial intelligence is rated to grow at about 37% annually for the next 10 years. So if these companies can make some money off that, that's going to be absolutely beautiful. Another reason why we've seen a ton of buying pressure for this was because in the last earnings report, you guys will see this E down here. This E represents earnings. Now, when the company announced it, the stock literally went from $14 all the way up to about $18. An absolute crazy move for the stock. And as we go and we look at, the last revenue statement, you guys will see that the revenue jumped from about 533 million to 558 million. A major increase of about 16%. So obviously, anytime a company announces something like this, you're going to get buying pressure. You're going to get a variety of things into this just because people want to find that next Tesla, that next Apple, that next Google, the next Amazon. Now, as we scroll down, you guys will see that we've seen a variety of things really solid for Palantir. One of the things that they've been working on is their profit margin. This pretty much is very important for Palantir. And the reason why that is because if there's no leftover cash, how do you expect them to grow and sustain? And they've been actually growing this. In the past quarter, in 2023, in Q3, they grew it by 150%, which is incredible. So anytime you have that, you're going to get a lot of buying pressure, and that's what we've seen. Now, as we scroll down here, you guys will see the total revenue the operating income has gone up from 10 million to 33. So things are getting more expensive, but yes, they are bringing in more money. Their net income has jumped by 159%, which is awesome. It's always good to see stuff like this, but you have to understand that with Palantir is a growth stock. They've been diluting the stock for a while, meaning if you guys, let's just say you guys buy one share of Palantir and there's 20 shares available to buy. Now, if Palantir comes out and they add more shares, you still have one share, but now maybe there's 100 shares. So anytime you do this, this dilutes the stock and dilutes the company. And that's kind of what we have seen Palantir do in the past. They haven't been doing it a lot lately, but it's just something to note. On top of that, another thing that's super important is right now Palantir is worth about $34 to $37 billion. And a good thing about Palantir is as of right now, their total assets are near and around that range, which is honestly really solid because a lot of people love to invest into the future. They invest for future growth. So with that being said, that everything right now equals out to their to what they're worth is a good sign because you can buy it still at a very affordable price. But with that being said, looking at the chart, you guys will see that right now we've seen just a lot of growth from Palantir. The stock has gone from about $7 to $21 in the matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months, which is incredible, beating the S&P, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ. And with that being said, at least for me, I'm such a long-term investor that when I invest into something, I want to hold it. There's a major difference between investing and trading. A lot of people, like myself, I trade every single day, but when I invest into a company, it has to be a company that I'm holding for years. I'm holding for a minimum of 5 to 10 years. And with that being said, I do own Palantir stock, but my average cost is so low. I bought it all the way back here where the stock price was near and around the $7 to $5 range. And this is where I thought this was major undervalued. I thought it was extremely undervalued at that price. But given the stock has had a rapid amount of growth to $19, personally, I want to go heavy into it. I own shares. Am I going to continue to buy more? Probably not. I would rather sit on the sidelines and see, what happens, just because of the amount of growth we've seen out of Palantir. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get some sell-off. Now, obviously, I could be completely wrong about this. I just know that looking at previous history when it comes to these growth stocks, more volatile, and honestly, smaller companies, we're going to see volatility. We're going to see stocks go from $5 to $20, back down to 10, back up to 25, back down to 6. They're very, very volatile. And as we zoom out, you guys will see that this is kind of what we've seen from Palantir. A ton of volatility, not really steady growth, not really steady revenue, just a lot of volatility, which as of right now, at least for a lot of people, it has made them a lot of money. But for me, at its current price, I would hold off on buying it. I would possibly trade it if we got down to 14. But as for like a long-term investment type deal, I would like to get it under $10. That would be my new buy zone for a major long-term investment for a possible swing trade at 14. That's kind of my mindset, my plan when it comes with Palantir, but I'm excited. I'm excited to see where they go. A lot of analysts think that the stock could easily go to $50, $60 in the next couple of years. So I'm excited. I have shares. I'm up a lot of my money. But guys, that is it. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my new swing trading course, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.